Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Satyabrata asserted that elected leaders are supposed to look after the public and not just sit around. The statement was made at a calendar release event at the Speaker's premise organized by Athoba Singhi Liklam Thiba Manipur today. Speaker Satyabrata released a calendar for next year titled Laying on the B part. The event was also attended by various dignitaries and members of Athoba Singhi Liklam Thibalup. Speaking further, the speaker highlighted his efforts to work closely with the public. He also expressed optimism for some change in the state following their recent meeting with Union Minister Amit Shah. The speaker further emphasized that MLAs of every constituency were elected to work for the people and not to just sit around in their chairs. He also highlighted that the laying on the B Lake of Kasar, Assam has been a part of the state's history and expressed willingness to help in the development of the lake.
Akoi si chumna sum phamaga lainabagi dongta miyang yu doina lakibadi nataba aduna kayuma khara akoi sthagta su angamba level da praja sing awana si mari honda simatai haidana khanjera kanda akoi awabagi paudam si tamjerubani adui matungina mana thu matamda thabo lokhapir khani haina su takpirei lokhapir khani na khanjei lengonda bi pat haidana min khonba calendar si khonduk chawin numeni aduga ai thamoida phaujabasi khondok ningabase akoi mamang leibiramba ini thosina lebak si dong karam kirib no mi lebak si kanna kai do mi haibana singbu mayek sengna puthona wedong tanga si calendar si puthwa hobuni masi mayek sengna sing puthona akoi gi leiriba maitai sinda adumagi thongna ama pinaba tholam ne na khalle